Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the phone has charge and no headset is plugged in, since external audio can route output. Next, open settings and go straight to sound and vibration to control system levels. Tap the media volume slider and increase it. This affects apps directly. Once done, make sure silent and do not disturb are off. Those override media. You're beginning the practical fix. The next step is to inspect app and system audio routing for deeper issues. You now test across apps to see whether the problem is app-specific or system-wide. Play audio in one app then another. If only one app is silent, force stop and clear its cache. Make sure app permissions allow media and background play because restrictions can mute output. If audio still fails, toggle Bluetooth and disconnect devices. Sometimes audio routes to a phantom receiver. For a controlled check, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps and pinpoint the conflict before deeper steps. You finish with advanced remedies. Update the OS and reset sound settings to default because corrupted profiles can mute media. If nothing changes, back up your data and perform a factory reset only as a last resort, since this restores core audio configurations. Make sure accounts and may remain intact by signing out and verifying backups first. If volume still fails, suspect hardware, run Oppo's built-in diagnostics or contact service. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, test with a Bluetooth speaker to determine speaker versus software failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.